Snow was falling hard when a kind old woman opened her door to 15 leather-clad bikers from the Hells Angels. She thought it was just one night. She thought she was only offering shelter from the storm. But the very next morning, 100 motorcycles lined up outside her home, engines growling, helmets staring. Every neighbor was too afraid to step outside, and she stood there alone, clutching her shawl, whispering to herself, "What do they want with me now?" You will not believe what happened next. Stay with me, because this story only grows darker and far more unsettling.